Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Well, today I'm outside deep in the woods of New Jersey to field test the brand new DJI Mini 4 Pro. Now I've got the drone over there on the mat. I'm going to put it up in the air and capture some footage out here in these beautiful woods. I'm also going to fly it all over New Jersey and put a montage together of some footage that I've captured with the drone because it's a brand new drone from DJI. It's got a bigger sensor, it's got a whole lot more electronics inside to make it safer when you're flying it, and it's got a new imaging package as well that does a pretty good job of adjusting for light environments and dark environments automatically. So we should get some pretty cool footage, but I haven't had a chance to fly the drone a whole lot because we've had really inclement weather here in New Jersey. So today is the first day that's really pretty decent to get the drone out and fly it a little bit. So I'll shoot some footage here and then I'm going to take it all over New Jersey. I live near farms, I'm near the shore, and I'll put a montage together to show you exactly what kind of footage you can capture with this brand new drone. And I'm telling you, the size of this drone is so small that it's the perfect travel companion to put in the back of your car, so when you're driving along a road like this and you see this beautiful landscape behind you, you can put the drone up and capture some incredibly cool footage. So let's get the drone up, enough talking. All right, so I'm gonna start the recording and I'm gonna spin the propellers up. Oh, it's ready to go. It's ready to go. Here we go.
Points updated.
Boy, it's nice and quiet too. It is really, really quiet. And it's so small. It's so much fun. All right, I'm going to send it down the road and send it up over the trees and let's see how it goes. And we're off. Boy, is that quick. Now it's got crash avoidance, so I'm getting a little closer to the trees than I would normally. Boy, is that beautiful. Oh man, look at that. Look at that landscape. This is just gorgeous. Now I'm on a fire road here in the backwoods. You can see that fire road running all the way down. And I'm up about 100 feet right now. But boy, oh boy, is that gorgeous. That image is absolutely amazing. All right, so let me spin it around and bring it back down because I want to keep an eye on it. All right. Boy, I can barely see it. The cloudy sky doesn't help because the drone is white. So you got to really keep an eye on it when you're flying it. Boy, oh boy. I just cannot get past the fact that in my hands I have a controller that's flying a robot about 1,500 feet away from me, up in the air about 100 feet. Here it comes back in for a landing. Man, this thing is gorgeous. Every time I put a drone up, I'm amazed. I'm amazed at how much fun it is. I can't say that enough. It is absolutely incredibly fun. All right, so don't hit the tree, Rick. That's all we need. Just put it down. All right, let's see how close I can come to the mat. All right, so there it is. Wow, I almost hit that pine tree. You hear it, you're complaining because I'm so close to everything around me. Boy, that is so accurate. It's unbelievable. A tiny move on the joystick and it moves over. Oh, I got a car coming. I got to land this thing. Oh boy, oh boy. Come on down. I'll be 1 second, sorry. Boom, all right. Okay, I got to go. Somebody else is coming down the fire road. But anyway, so that's the first one. I'm going to shoot a lot more footage around the state. Stay tuned for that, and I'll put them together in a montage, and you can enjoy that at your leisure. But my first impression of this, I flew it yesterday a little bit, just a little bit, to get a taste for it. And boy, I'll tell you, I was so excited to get out and fly it that I didn't even record my first flight. So let's count that as my first flight. But I'm always blown away by the level of technology that DJI can build into a tiny little drone like this that I promise you, when I fold it up, I could fit it in my pocket. It's really that small. So stay tuned. I'll show you the rest of the footage I've captured. Then I'll come back at the end with a couple of final comments. Well, that's pretty much all I have for today, so I hope you found that video montage helpful. And again, I didn't edit any of that footage. It came right off the SD card. It was recorded at 4K at 60 frames a second, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. The DJI Mini 4 Pro could be the perfect drone, again, for new flyers looking to join the hobby, or even more experienced flyers that are looking for a smaller drone that's a whole lot easier to take on vacation, because when you fold this up, and you fold this up and put them in your bag, they take up about the same space as a pair of sneakers. So it's really easy to take on vacation, and you'll come home with some incredibly good video footage and some amazing pictures. So that's it for today. Thanks an awful lot for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there to join the Drone Valley family, because I'm going to have a ton more clips posting really soon on a lot of high-tech gear and a lot of other drone clips as well. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, as always, happy flying.